How to change iOS 18 photo app and get back to the old iOS 17 Photos app. Let's get started. If you're not a fan of the new iOS 18 Photos app and want to return to the familiar interface of iOS 17, here's what you can do. Launch your Photos app. Now scroll down. You're gonna find tons of options over here. Now scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll see the option of Customize and Reorder. Click on that. Now from here you can customize and reorder your Photos app. As all Photos app only include few of these options, you can just check in for those. Media types, utilities, shared albums, and recent days. Once you check in for these options, click on this icon and with that it will be saved. Now you can have a look of your Photos app. It will include the media types, utilities, and shared albums only. Now you're gonna get familiar interface to the iOS 17. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily change iOS 18 Photos app and get back to old iOS 17 Photos app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.